Awesome. We picked the G4DN and P3 instances to start with. And so that's not all of the GPU instances that AWS has. We started with these two because we talked to very specific customers that asked us for this support. And so we start small and expand our 10 stakes from there, really, and prove out the ability to do right sizing on GPU instances. Also note, some GPU families only have one instance size. So right sizing isn't really something we can do on them. We intentionally keep the right sizing recommendations in the same instance family. So what you're going to see here with this announcement is support for the G4DN and P3. What that means is if you go into Compute Optimizer and you have G4DN or P3 instances in your environments, you will immediately see recommendations to size them correctly. That's exciting because GPU instances are very powerful and they can be a little bit on the higher end of the price range of instance choices to pick from. What'll happen by default is you'll see those recommendations, but the recommendations will kind of be like the currently existing recommendations where they're going to recommend size changes for CPU, memory, disk, network, and so on. But if you install the NVIDIA driver, the new metrics we're using to make right size recommendation, utilization, memory usage, encoder information, and temperature. So what we're doing is our machine learning model is looking at all of these different data sets. And we used all these data sets across quite a few number of instances to train our model on proper sizing of these resources. So if you turn on the NVIDIA agent, that ML model will then run and provide right sizing recommendations also to change the amount of GPU capacity you have.